Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So prior to this we have covered questions from slot 1 and slot 2 as well. So in today's class 2 we will be going for the questions one after the other. So let's get started with the questions. So if you look at the first question, it says for some real numbers a and b, the system of equations express y equal to 4 and a plus 5 into x plus b square minus 15 into y is 8b, has infinitely many solutions for x and y. So basically what does it mean is, infinite solutions would mean these two equations are consistent equations with infinite solutions. So we have a condition for that. So what is the condition for the equations with infinite solutions? The ratio of x coefficients, that is a plus 5, the ratio of coefficient of x here divided by ratio of coefficient of x here, should be equal to ratio of coefficients of y, which is b square minus 15 here by 1 here. This should be equal to 8b here and 4 here. So this is the condition which will give us infinitely many solutions for x and y. And remember that a and b are real numbers, so that means if I deal with a square or b square, it will have to be non-negative. Let's try to solve for a and b here. What is the question, by the way? The question is, then the maximum possible value of a into b is how much? Now if I take these two together, let's see what happens. So if I take these two, I'll get b square and this will be 2b, right? 2b minus 15 is equal to 2b. Let's bring this 2b on the other side. We can factorize this, right? So factors will be minus 5 and 3. So b minus 5 into b plus 3 should be 0. So when you solve this, b would either be 5 or it would be minus 3. So we get two values for b out here. Now once we get b equal to 5 or b equal to minus 3, let us make use of this set of equations so that we can also find out a. So if you look at this, it is a plus 5 by 1 is equal to 8b by 4 is 2b. Now if b is 5, then a will be equal to 2 into 5 minus 5, or if b is minus 3, then a will be equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5, correct? So that means the value of a and b, the corresponding values, when b is 5, if you look at this, a will also turn out to be 5, and when b is minus 3, a will be minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. What are they asking us? Maximum possible value of a into b is how much? Now in this case, as you can see, the product of a and b will give you 25, which is one of the options. But if you multiply these two, you will get plus 33, minus into minus is plus, which is even better value. And hence the maximum possible value of a into b will mark option choice 4 as our answer. 33 is the correct answer to this. Alright, so I hope you are clear with this. So this was a question which involved the condition for what is the condition for infinite solutions in case of simultaneous equations, linear equations.